Very good morning to all of your class. I hope you all are fine. So today we are continuing with the same chapter number first, local self-government in the villages. So for today we are going to start with the topic of Gram Panchayat, as we have cleared Gram Sabha, that you know that the village, if any village is having the population of 1500 or more than 1500, so the village is having Gram Sabha. Okay, so anybody who is above 18 years, whether men or women, they can participate in the elections. Okay, so they can participate, they can become members of Gram Sabha. Their functions were, they are electing members of Gram Panchayat. Okay, they are discussing problems and difficulties that are faced by the people or villagers. Okay, they approve the annual budget and they are having a power to remove a member from the Panchayat. Okay, so we have cleared this much. So today we are going to start with Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is the executive body of the village assembly at the Gram Sabha. Executive body means those who are making plans or decisions or making laws. Okay, so Gram Panchayat, it is the executive body of village assembly at the Gram of the village assembly or Gram Sabha, means they are making plans and decisions, or you can say they are making laws. Okay, then its members are elected by the Gram Sabha, as we have done in the functions also, that the members of Gram Panchayat are elected by the Gram Sabha members. Okay, so the term is for 5 years, their term period is 5 years. The number of members is determined by the size of village. How many numbers will be there? Okay, the number will be determined. Determined means having firm decision. Okay, it is determined, it is fixed by the size of the village, means what is the size, how much population is there in the village. Then Gram Panchayat election, the Panchayat members directly elect their head, called Sarpanch or Pradhan or Mukhiya. The head of the Gram Panchayat is known as Sarpanch, Pradhan or Mukhiya. The Sarpanch calls the meetings of the Panchayat, presides over them and coordinates the activities of the Panchayat. The Sarpanch calls the meeting. Who takes the meeting? The Sarpanch, he takes the meeting of the Panchayat, presides over them. Presides means he is the in charge of the discussion. The Sarpanch is the in charge of the discussion. He holds the in chargeship and coordinates the activities of the Panchayat, means he organizes, he does arrangement for the activities of the Panchayat. The Panchayat usually meets once a month. The Panchayat, they meet for once in a month for the meetings. All the decisions are taken by majority votes. The decisions are taken by majority of votes, means those who are getting more votes, the decision will be taken by, means in the favor of that person. In case of a tie, the Sarpanch has a casting vote. So if there is a tie between two parties, means both are having equal votes. For example, one has got 50 and another is also having 50. Okay, so if there is a tie, then the Sarpanch is giving his cast, the Sarpanch is also having a casting vote. Casting vote means an extra vote given by a chairperson to decide an issue when the voter on each side are equal. Okay, means he is having a right to give the vote. Okay, so he is electing the party. The Gram Panchayat is responsible for providing and maintaining basic civic amenities. The Gram Panchayat, it is responsible for providing or maintaining, means to keep in proper condition. Okay, so they are maintaining basic civic amenities. Which are basic civic amenities? Services such as sanitation, street lights, water supply, okay, road, building roads, everything. Okay, so this should be there. So these are basic civic amenities. So they are providing these facilities and they are maintaining these facilities. Then functions of a Gram Panchayat, it looks after the village roads and street lighting. Okay, so village roads are made and street lighting. It takes care of the health of the villages by setting up dispensaries are made, medicals are there, healthcare centers, time to time they are appointing healthcare centers. Okay, like for eye checkup, for teeth checkup, or for anything. Okay, so healthcare centers, or you can say camps are organized in the village, and looking after the sanitary facilities, means cleanliness in the village. It is under obligation to set up schools for primary education. Primary means you can say till 5th standard. Okay, so they are having an power to set up the classes or to set up the schools till 5th standard. Okay, it implements development programs of the government at the village level. Implements means they use a plan. Okay, they make a system and for the development programs. Okay, they make a plan for development programs of the government at the village level. Okay, they set up the different plans to develop the village. It may set up libraries, recreational centers. Recreational centers means the things which you do in extra time, okay, for just passing the time or for enjoyment. Okay, so that centers are also there, means whatever hobbies you are having, you can create your hobbies in more perfectionist way. Okay, and build parks and gardens, organize village fairs, and provide veterinary hospitals. Means veterinary hospitals are hospitals of animals, okay, where treatment of animals is done. Then sources of income. Village panchayats primarily depend on grant in aid from the state government. So they primarily means more than anything. So village panchayats, they depend on grant in aid. Grant in aid is amount of money given to local government, means the state government is giving them salary. Then apart from these grants, to the other sources of revenue are, means some other sources are also there from which they are collecting the salary, or you can say which is the source of income. That is taxes levied on property, land, cattle. Okay, they are paying the tax that is on land or on their personal property or on cattle if they are having cattle. Taxes on common village land, water bodies. Common means which is used by everyone, okay, which is of, you can say, government also. Okay, so common village land and water bodies. Then fines imposed on village offenders. Offender is a person who breaks the law. Okay, so he has to pay fine. Then income from the sale of village property. If any village property is sold, so they are having income from that also. Then Nyaya Panchayat, a major function of the panchayat is to provide speedy justice to the villagers. Justice means fairness. They are to do fairness to the villagers. This function is performed by the specially established judicial body called Nyaya Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat is made by judicial. What is the work of judiciary? Judiciary, they means they punishes the criminal, okay, or you can say they punishes those who have done something wrong. Okay, so this body, this Nyaya Panchayat, is made by judicial body. The Gram Panchayat usually elects its members. So the members of Nyaya Panchayat are also elected by Gram Panchayat. Sorry, the Gram Panchayat members are elected by Gram Sabha and Nyaya Panchayat members are elected by Gram Panchayat. Then functions of a Nyaya Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat tries petty civil and criminal cases like petty civil, you can say fine, okay, to whom they have imposed fine, they look after that, and the criminal cases like minor thefts, means if someone has done any theft, okay, any quarrels are there, means arguments, and minor encroachment. Encroachment, you can say gradual advance, okay, if we are taking from someone, we are taking some advance and we are not giving, okay, on public property, on means the public property which is related to the village. Okay, so if we are taking some advance, so they are looking that cases also. It may take up civil cases involving money disputes over an amount not exceeding rupees 500. So they are looking up over civil cases also, means in which they are involving money disputes are there. Okay, means there is a fight between two people regarding money. Okay, means they are not giving back or something, and the amount should not exceed more than 500. It should be not more than 500. It has no power to send an offender to jail. They can't send anybody to jail. A dissatisfied party can appeal against its judgment in the district court or a higher court. If any party is not satisfied with its decision or with its, you can say, means whatever the order they have passed, so if they are not satisfied, so they can appeal in the higher court or the district court. Then it can impose a minor fine but cannot send any offender to prison. They can impose, means they can impose a fine, they can apply fine, means you have to pay this fine, but they cannot send anyone to jail. It provides valuable service by rendering cheap and quick justice to the poor. Okay, they provide the valuable service, they give the service by rendering, okay, by rendering cheap and quick justice, means by giving affordable and quick justice to the poor. Okay, they are giving justice to the poor. Agreement in most cases are brought about without resorting to expensive lawsuits. Means they have not done any trial also, means they have not taken any expensive lawsuit. Expensive lawsuit means expensive trials. They have not taken expensive trials. Most of the cases they get are these, means they are not going to the big courts or something. They want their cases to be solved here only. So beta, I think that this much is clear to you. That's all for today. Just revise, and tomorrow we will complete the chapter. That is our last, that is Panchayat Smiti or Block Smiti. Okay, so thank you.